Hello there. My name is Shreekant D. I am a student of grade 10. I have been studying under the guidance of Harinder ma'am for the past 3 years. She's taught me in the capacity of a biology teacher and as a class teacher as well. I have had the privilege of learning from her concepts of biology and science in grade 8 and biology from grade 9 onwards. What I can say about the recent crash course that I joined was it was really helpful. The notes that ma'am had given were almost the answer key to the question paper that came, and Harinder ma'am has a certain way of teaching that I have observed no other teacher has. She is very passionate and she is just remarkable with the subject. She has been a great boon to me as a teacher as well, and she also has a good connect with the recent generation. So I would suggest that you take her help in understanding the difficult topics that will fetch you a lot of marks in grade 10 and grade 9 and grade 6 onwards. So it would be really helpful for you, and you can join her crash course that is starting from November 27th of this month. So do contact her before that and keep studying.